Okay, everybody. I'm back, 2015 Corvette C7 here, and today we have another review video. So it's this thing, this really weird looking thing. Actually, it actually looks quite cool. It's called DBPOWER 12 volt. Okay, it's a really long title. You guys can click the link in the description. That's just really long. So yeah, this thing, it's a compressor that plugs into your car for like inflating your tires. It'll work for that, but what it also works for is inflating like your bicycle tire or your basketball. But there's an adapter. This is a bag of little adapter things in here. It looks like it has one that'll work with my exercise ball. It's in the other room. But yeah. So I have not plugged this in yet. I have not tested this. I don't know how loud it is. But the thing is, it does not come with a thing. It only comes with a I'll show you. So you have to kind of dig it out of the side there. Not really. But it's just only comes with this thing. So that's the only way it plugs in. So I can't plug it in here inside because I don't. Who has one of those in their house? So I can't plug that thing inside. What I'm gonna have to do is go in, wheel to the right, wheel to the left, like button. Oh, does that do anything? I sure hope that doesn't do anything. So yeah, we're gonna go outside and test this and see if it works. To inflate my exercise ball, which is actually down on air, so it helps me too. So let's go outside and test this out. Oh yeah. Thingy. Got that thingy. And I put the red nozzle on. If that makes any sense. Yes, I'm making a video. And so once I get this thing in the ball, they're going to start the car. And we're going to see. Okay. Alright, so she's going to now start the car. I'm going to put this thingy in there. Oh, jeez. Okay. Yeah, hold the phone, film me. Alright, so we got this thing. The compressor, the air hose isn't too long, so I have to stick this over here and put the air hose in the ball and turn on the compressor and then hope everything goes according to plan. So, yeah. Okay, so it's definitely working. Now I just gotta get to where I want it to be. A little bit more. Okay, so now the ball is at its desired size. So it's really awkward when you're filling up a ball. Usually this would be used for a basketball where you can kind of set the compressor on the ground and it wouldn't be as big. Or a flat tire in your car. Yeah, if you keep this in your car, it can help with quite a few things. Maybe you need it on the side of the road. So yeah, I just filled up my exercise ball, well, topped it off, using that thing. And it's only a little bit loud. I don't know. Anyways, bye.